So when the three channels, the white channel on the right, red channel on the left, blue channel in the center in our body, when they're cleared, what does that mean? It's we are clearing three root poisons in these three channels. So in the right side, we are clearing the anger, and then the left side, we are clearing the attachment, and in the central, we are clearing the ignorance. So of course, we are all very clear what anger means, or aversion, what anger and aversion is, and what is the attachment on the left channel, and what is the ignorance in the central channel. Often people say, what is ignorance? Of course, in some sense, general sense, we know what ignorance is, not knowing something. But here also, I think it's good to look at ignorance in a way that we have so often doubts, like a self-doubt, and doubt in every step of your life, doubting yourself, doubting what you're doing, doubting where you're living, doubting with who you are with, and so on. So that doubt really interferes with the flow of life. So these three poisons are getting cleared in three channels. So when they're cleared, what it do is, of course, energetically, these channels get clear, the winds opens up, and emotions opens up. But at the same time, in a deep sense of practices, what it does, it opens the clarity, it opens the space. For example, right channel, we say it's a method. Method is the sense of clarity, experiences of clarity, and the left channel is the channel of wisdom. It helps to experience the openness in space or emptiness. And in the central channel, what it does, it helps to experience the union of that space and awareness. So in a deep level, it not only clears the three poisons, but allows the experiences of the wisdom, three qualities, and clarity, emptiness, and union. These experiences are allowed after they are cleared.